What to do if you fail the Whole30 diet? One of the most common mistakes people make when following the Whole30 diet is giving up too soon. In order to successfully complete the 30-day plan, you'll have to be disciplined and prepared. You need to have all your meals planned out in advance and be sure to have plenty of healthy snacks on standby for days when you don't feel like cooking. It's also important to pay attention to your cravings and avoid those unhealthy foods that might tempt you. For example, if you find yourself craving sweets after eating the first 3 days without sugar, it might be best for you not to eat any more sugar until the end of the 30-day period. If you fail during this time, it's easy enough to start over on day 1 again with a new mindset. However, some people find it difficult or even impossible to pass this test with flying colors. In these cases, there are ways you can still benefit from following the Whole30 diet long term. If you want to give your diet a jumpstart, then check out our links in the description below. Good luck! Oh yeah, and don't forget to like, subscribe and get notified. Thanks.